Look at that crunchy and crispy texture. If you ever wondered why your home cooked starter turns soggy while restaurant ones stay cracklingly crisp, you've been missing one vital step. I'm Deepak Kshatriya, and today I'm stripping away the mystery. This isn't just another Babycorn 65 recipe. This is the ultimate texture hack version that stays crispy even it's around smothered in that spice tangy glaze. Forget everything you know about standard frying. I'm going to show you the exact 60-second rule that changes the game. Let's get into the kitchen and turn our humble Babycorn into a masterpiece. These are the ingredients required to make this Babycorn 65. That's chili powder 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 inch, garlic 6, jeera powder half a teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, and green chilies 5 to 6. And maida nearly 2 teaspoons, curry leaves 2 strands, ginger garlic paste half a teaspoon, corn flour 2 teaspoon, salt as per taste, and beaten curd half a cup, baby corn bite-sized 100 grams, oil to deep fry. Now let's begin the secret blanching technique. First, let's blanch the baby corns. To that, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add the bite-sized corn pieces. We are going to let this cook for exactly 2 minutes. This ensures the corn is tender but still retain its signature crunch. This is the hotel restaurant's secret technique that gets a perfect texture out from the baby corns. Now we need to cook exactly for about 2 minutes. Now it's perfectly done. Let's take them out in a plate. Once blanched, transfer the corn to a mixing bowl. To this, add all-purpose flour, half of your red chili powder, cumin powder, half of the garam masala powder, and the salt. And add the ginger garlic paste. And most importantly, add a 1 teaspoon of hot oil to help the spices adhere. And now give it a thorough mix, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. You can add a drop of orange food color if you want, and I'm not using it. It's totally optional. Gradually add water 1 tablespoon by tablespoon at a time until you reach a perfect coating consistency. Make sure you don't add all the water at a time. It should be just add a little bit of oil to get that perfect coating. Now look, the coating is perfectly done and it's perfectly ready, and allow this to marinate for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's see how to fry this. Now let's fry. Heat your oil until it's hot and drop the heat to medium. Carefully add the baby corn pieces one by one. Pro tip: do not stir them for the first minute. This allows the coating to set firmly so it doesn't fall off in the oil. After a minute, flip them over and fry for another 2 minutes until they are golden and perfectly crispy. Look at that, how perfectly crispy and crunchy these baby corns have become. Now, this is the hotel style secret of frying these perfectly crispy baby corns. Now, you can see how crunchy, and you can just listen to the sound, how crispy they have become. Now, look, it's nearly been totally 4 minutes. I'm frying them. It's perfectly done. Now, it's done perfectly. Let's take them out in a plate. Now the baby corns are fried perfectly. Let's keep them aside. Now let's make the tempering. Now for the final touch, in a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your finely chopped garlic, and finely chopped ginger and sliced green chilies. You can add how much ever you wish, and we'll add some curry leaves. Saute these on a high heat to release their aromatics. Make sure you always do this on a high flame, and it will take you anywhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Lower the flame and add your beaten curd, some salt, along with a remaining chili powder, garam masala. Stir well on a high heat until the moisture from the curd evaporates, leaving a thick, flavorful glaze, just like this. And it will take you anywhere between 2 minutes to 3 minutes on a high flame. Make sure you don't overcook it. So you just need to get that glaze like consistency. When it's done, add your crispy fried baby corns into the pan and just give it a quick high heat toss. This is the secret to get that perfect crunch and texture without making it soggy. You want the corn to be beautifully glazed with maintaining its crunch. Just look at that vibrant glaze. The beauty of the recipe lies in the contrast. The tangy, spicy curd base perfectly coats the exterior without compromising the signature crunch we worked so hard to achieve. It's restaurant quality right in your kitchen. If you try this at home, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Drop a comment below and let me know if it's the best baby corn 65 you ever had. You don't want to miss this reveal. Subscribe and turn on the notifications because what I'm sharing in this video is going to change your cooking game forever. I'm Deepak Kshatriya. Stay hungry, stay curious. Jai Hind and Jai Karnataka. See you soon.